Good morning, folks. Well, I have the urge to eat some sweet potatoes for dinner. So I am going to clean out this bed and I'm going to get rid of this because this is not something I desire in my bed. And see if I have any sweet potatoes. Without trying, hopefully I won't mess up these beautiful babies. And I do want to move that one day, but not today. So, pulling these sweet potatoes out. Here's one little one. Yeah, buddy, looky here. There's a big one. Okay, I'm gonna have to bring you back because I need both hands for this. Well, folks, I disturbed the roots on that, which is alright, I guess, because I didn't realize how far down these potatoes have gone. And how many there was. So I'm digging deep because I started to quit after getting quite a few. And I can't wait to show you how many I've gotten. But I'm going back over the areas that I already went. Looky there. Something down there too. And looky here. This is just in I'm sorry, I had you too close, didn't I? This is just in leaves and stuff like that I put in here. And I've got the beautiful worms. Composting everything down. Here's another one. And there's another one. That's what you want to see. Healthy, healthy, healthy. And the sweat's dripping. Gotta love Florida. I do love Florida, but the heat I don't love. I gotta sit for a minute. All right, so I'm super upset about this. I hope to God it makes it. Something has decided to chew on my amarilla. So that's my candy stripe amarilla, and I don't know if I have any more of those, but check this out. I got all these little guys. Well, some of them ain't so little, right? And I am going to let them cure for a couple of days, and then I'm going to eat them. And I have been craving them, so today is on. That's was on my list to do. Now, this is a sprout that I'm going to replant in here, and I want you to see all the ants too. There is super lot of ants in here, and that's because it's easy to make a house in. So I'm going to plant this right here. And let's hope it gets happy soon. It's got a lot of new leaves on it, so we'll see what it does. And these guys, I'm going to put them out to the road. And I'll probably be putting something else into here. So, wow, I don't see the tree that Miss, oh, there, maybe it is. Yeah, there it is. This is a tamarind tree that she's given me that I need to get in the ground. But she's got something else in there too. I think she said these are purple passion vine. So I'm gonna ask her if she wants to separate that out, and I'd like to have a couple of those too. Well, folks, I had a couple avocado seeds that I wanted to plant, and I had these beautiful planters that I got for free from Lowe's. But check this out. I am so perturbed. I am so mad I can't see straight. This was my potatoes. I don't even think I got any potatoes yet because they weren't in there long enough. Yeah, them stinking chickens dug it all up right here. Yeah, there's the rotten potato thingy. Anyways, so I'm afraid that they're going to kill my beans here. They're doing so good. My beans and the Malabar, I mean not Malabar, is it Malabar spinach? I can't remember. Glenn was telling me about his spinach today. Now I've got it mixed up. He's got longevity. I got Malabar. And I'm not sure if my my longevity spinach made it. Look, they've got this catnip dug up. Stinking birds. Anyways, they've been in here digging around and carrying on. And everything looks crazy. I don't know what that is. It looks like something edible. Why couldn't they dig up the grass, you know? Why couldn't they just get rid of all the grass and the nasty stuff? Oh well. Oh well. My beans look kind of wilted right now. So I've got to give them a good drink later. I should probably, these okras look kind of puny, like they're dying. So I think I'm going to take this and put it over top of them like so. Try and help with the heat so it's not blazing down on them. So maybe that will help tremendously with the sun. The sun is blazing down. Thank goodness these little guys over here have a little shade. I have so many of those little weeds. These are the things David uses for kidney stones. The crappie is getting a little bit bigger. I'm gonna have to separate them soon. There's several in that spot. That one looks nice. Anyways, that's that stinky basil. I don't know what kind it is. I don't know what that one back there is. That's holy basil, I think, which I'm not really fond of that one either. Oh well. The chickens like it though. That peppermint's starting to spread and look nice. I'm hoping it stays and grows, fills this whole thing up. That would be super cool, because then I could harvest it and use it for tea. So it's really super, 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 super hot. Super hot. I mean, I am like drenched. So I need to go in and get cooled down. Oh. And later on, I'm gonna come back out and water really good.